Protect Our Elections has been working hard to expose the corruption and criminal conduct of Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, and has now prepared a white paper for the Federal Bureau of Investigation, calling for investigations and criminal prosecution against Clarence Thomas, his wife Virginia Thomas, and billionaire Harlan Crow for violating numerous federal statutes. Justice Thomas received and or solicited the following gifts and donations from billionaire real estate magnate Harlan Crow: a $15,000 bust of Abraham Lincoln, a $19,000 Bible that once belonged to Frederick Douglass, use of his private yacht and jet, access to the exclusive Bohemian Grove retreat in California, and use of Mr. Crow's Adirondack summer estate called Top Ridge. Mr. Crow also made a $500,000 donation to Liberty Central, a company owned by Virginia Thomas, who coincidentally received about $500,000 in salary from the organization. A $175,000 donation to a library project in Savannah, Georgia, for a Clarence Thomas wing. And a $2 million donation to a seafood cannery museum in Georgia where Clarence Thomas's mother once worked. These gifts are improper and could constitute or be perceived as bribes, and appear to violate the Honest Services Statute. If Thomas failed to report gifts to the IRS, he may have also violated the tax code by failing to report these gifts as taxable income. Justice Thomas also failed to report his wife's income for over 20 years, and then amended his forms in January of 2011. Filing false statements with federal agencies is often treated as a felony, and many people have been convicted for the same crime. The evidence and timeline strongly suggests a criminal conspiracy between Clarence and Virginia Thomas and Harlan Crow to use Virginia Thomas's advocacy group Liberty Central as a money laundering operation to funnel $495,000 of that money to Virginia Thomas disguised as salary. Finally, it appears that the Thomases engaged in judicial insider trading, and Justice Thomas tipped off Virginia before the Citizens United ruling, so she could launch Liberty Central and raise money as soon as possible. In fact, just weeks after the decision, Virginia Thomas told the LA Times that Liberty Central would be raising money based on Citizens United. The evidence in the FBI white paper provides strong probable cause that Clarence Thomas, individually and in concert with both his wife and Harlan Crow, committed numerous criminal violations of federal law. Protect Our Elections has asked the Department of Justice to enforce these laws by investigating these allegations and bringing the evidence before a grand jury for indictment. Failure to criminally investigate and prosecute Justice Thomas, Virginia Thomas, and Harlan Crow undermines the perception that the rule of law applies equally to all Americans. For more information and to join the campaign, please go to protectourelections.org.